We are going to win the battle to protect religious freedom. In an increasingly secular society, we will need more than positive law.
What does he mean by that? And that is actually the confirmation. He is Roman Catholic. How did 6 conservative Catholics become Supreme Court justices together? Together. Here it is, friends. We would need more than what? Positive law to win the battle. Look at this. This is canon law of the Catholic Church. What does that mean? Positive law, it means that human legislators of the church and state must enact the laws of the Roman Catholic Church on the population. That is positive law. And that is what Justice Alito said. We'll need more than this. Mercy. What could be more than that? What could be more than that? Here it is again, friends. Moral and spiritual purpose of the law. It says, look at the last sentence there. Red words. Positive law amounts to the prescriptions. All right. And what else? Prohibitions and mandates that issue forth from a properly constituted governmental authority for the sake of the common good. That is positive law. Not only prescriptions, but prohibitions. Don't forget that. Put those 2 words down. Prescriptions and prohibitions. Prescriptions, they would dictate what you must do. Prohibitions restrict your liberty of conscience. And it comes from governmental authority, state authority. Based on what? The common good. Let's talk about that now. By the way, who wrote that? Thomas Aquinas. Thomas Aquinas. Thomas Aquinas actually referenced the death penalty for the common good. I'll come back to it. Do you realize they mentioned Pilate and Christ in the same theme of positive law? That means the Jewish leaders use positive law to get Pilate to crucify Christ. What? It's right there. The Jewish leaders use, quote unquote, their version of positive law to get Pilate to crucify Jesus. And this is what Samuel Alito said. We need more than this in order to win the battle against secularism, against the left. Let that sink in. Thomas Aquinas, the death penalty for the common good, prescriptions and prohibitions. And what did Pope Francis speak about at the joint session of Congress in 2015? He spoke about the common good, and listen who was present. All Chief Justices of the U.S. Supreme Court, common good. He came and gave for the first time a joint session of Congress, a Jesuit Pope. First time. Common good is the theme. So what is common good? Look at that right here. The transcript from his speech before Congress. Common good. And the common good is in his encyclical Laudato Si. What is common good? Common good, the Roman Catholic social teaching, common good to care for the earth and to care for the poor. Common good is Sunday worship by law. It's right there, friends. Sunday worship by law. Samuel Alito says we need positive law. We're told by Roman Catholics, positive law must be enacted for the common good. The Roman Catholic social teaching. Common good, the Pope says, Sunday worship, to care for nature, to care for the poor. Common good, give up your rights for global society, which in actuality is globalism. Totalitarianism, it's tyranny. Prescriptions and prohibitions. Government mandates